it's mga tumor sa abdomen, in the belly, in the chest area, right? During fetal development, if you still remember that one, right? So one of the one of the assessment nito would be clothes are becoming tighter, sumisikip ang damit niya. Tighter, ba to? Okay? Tighter across the abdomen. That means now, baka yung mass ang nagkukos ng pagsikip or paglubo ng tiyan niya. Right? And do not forget, mga retinoblastoma, okay? Most cases kasi are inherited. So, siblings should be examined also periodically. Okay? Do not forget that one. And do not forget also that any type of back to communicable tayo, back sa asan na tayo? Sa etong portion na to. Sa infectious and immunological concept. Okay? Do not forget that mga communicable disorders, they can be transmitted. Okay? They can be transmitted direct or indirect contact. Okay? Ano pa yung concept natin sa ano? And modern sanitation plays a great role in eradicating infectious disorders. Okay? Do not forget that one. And if the patient and then back to ito, please add this one na lang sa sa INI. Okay, back to the cancer. If ever the nursing diagnosis is deficient diversional activity, so one of the ways para magkaroon pa rin ng activity yung isang patient is to play card games. At least, right? Card games, that means it doesn't require any energy and at least na-exercise pa rin yung mind and physical ng pasyente. Okay, another one, basta mga bone cancer, do not forget that hypercalcemia is one of the main concern here. Okay? Please review na lang review yung yung normal na value ng calcium. Hindi ko na yung sasabihin kasi ito, mga hypercalcemia na to, hindi basta-basta na nakikita sa choices. Baka naman value ang ilalagay, not hypercalcemia. Okay? So, ang indicator ng bladder cancer is painless hematuria. Okay? And all types naman ng cancer, right? We have to assess any risk factors. Okay? Risk factors that can be related to that type of cancer, right? And do not forget that any invasive procedures or even mga genetic testing, it requires consent pa rin. Okay? Ito ang pinaka-importante. Consent pa rin ng pasyente is one of the most essential nurse intervention before any invasive procedure. Okay? Mga chemo treatments, and then nagsasuffer siya ng severe nausea. Okay? It's very important na to facilitate a small, frequent meal. Okay? A small, frequent meal or a small, frequent feeding. Okay? And mga dito ko na ilista. Mga rotavirus, these are vaccine related. Mga rotavirus, do not forget that these are fecal oral route. Do not forget that one. And of course, if ever any type ng cancer patient na limited yung finances niya, we have to refer them to social services. That is still one of our nursing responsibility here. Okay? And also, again, kapag nausea ang pinag-usapan natin, it would require anti-emetic. Do not forget that one, especially metoclopramide. And of course, dabda. May concept na kayo ng dabda. Right? These are the stages of grieving. Right? So, denial, bargaining, dabda. Ay, sorry. Kulang. Okay? Denial, anger, bargaining, depression, and acceptance, right? Do not forget na, especially if ever mastectomy yung pinag-usapan natin. Right? Parang loss of body part kasi ang mastectomy eh. Okay? So one of the most important thing here na of course, number one pa rin ang denial, right? Ito pa rin ang unang-una nilang pagdadaanan. So, accepting denial, accepting this stage is the best response now of the nurse to this type of patient. Kailangan mong i-acknowledge muna yung denial stage nila, and then it facilitates now going to the other stage of grieving. Okay? And do not forget also mga myeloma, mga multiple myeloma, it could cause now pathologic bone fracture. So it could cause now hypercalcemia, if you still remember that. So that's it, guys, for the review. Okay? I believe naman na nag-take down notes kayo, guys. Nag-take down notes kayo, ha? I believe na etong review na to is binigay ko siya at least 80%. Andito na sa mga pinagsusulat ko. Okay? Just remember all yung mga ito, parang it's more on application to. If you see a question that is related to what I have talked, yun pa rin at sagot. And mostly 80% copy-paste ko lang siya basing from the question and then sinulat ko lang siya here in the Microsoft. Okay? So I'm hoping na please let me know na lang kung saan ko kukunin din ang comprehensive examination nyo. Okay? To finalize now your finals grade and final grade for the whole NCM 112. Okay? So good luck again, and then please update me na lang, and I will forward to you the link now for the final examination. Okay, and then it is scheduled on Saturday, tama ba ako? Saturday, 7:30 ba? To 9:10 a.m. Okay, thank you guys and have a good day just in Philippines. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much, sir. Appreciate it.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Bye.